Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Bybit application. If you're logged into your Bybit crypto wallet and you'd like to log out of it, then the process is quite simple. Go ahead and open your Bybit application, and if you're logged in, you should be able to see this home page. To log out of your account, go and tap on your profile icon located at the top left-hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down and you should be able to see a logout button. In order to log in back again, you'll need to enter your email or your phone number followed by your account's password, so make sure to know your credentials before logging out. If you're sure you'd like to log out, simply tap on log out at the bottom and tap on confirm in the pop-up. Now that should redirect you to this welcome page and you have successfully logged out of your Bybit application. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.